We're all waiting now. There's like a kid all the way back there, waiting, holding a sign.
Hey.
Hey. Coach, how excited are you to go?
I'm very excited, and I'm excited we're going to be in News Journal today. Not the Observer this time, but News Journal.
What do you hope your children do there?
My children?
Yeah.
They're staying home.
Well, what about the school kids? Yeah.
A lot of exciting stuff. Maybe we should turn up the radio and go to the school. No?
Sure. We're jamming out, but she's too quiet. AutoZone! No, it's fine.
Alright, we'll be going to Goethe-Haus in Frankfurt, which is like his birthplace, and for all you who don't know who Goethe is, he's like a German Shakespeare. And we're going to go to Weimar, to his house where he lived when he was very creative, let's say, when he wrote his most works. And then in Weimar we're going to go see the Bauhaus, what Ms. James is very interested in, so we need to make sure we take pictures of that. And we're going to go to the concentration camp Buchenwald, which is up the road, which that'll be depressing, but it's part of history.
Go Jews.
Yep. And let's see. We're going to go to Rotenburg up to Tauber, the medieval city that still has the city wall intact around it and that we can walk on. And that has the Torture Museum, which I know a few people are interested in that.
And my vlogging site, Torture Mammy.
And then, let's see, what else? We'll be going to Würzburg, to the residence.
We're going to a brewery.
Oh, and we're then fracking.
Fracking.
In Frankfurt, we'll be going shopping and see the Main Tower, too. And we're going hiking and biking to the Breuburg, which is a castle that we then will sightsee.
And I'll be sweating my balls off.
And then we'll do the zip line. And we're going to go to the brewery. And actually, it's not the Aschaffenburg, it's Großautheim, it's the Ede Brewery. And we'll get this.
She can't say anything under that because the clarifications, but we're going to be drinking.
But don't be telling that everybody.
Oh, it's only my YouTube video. They're not going to know anything.
And let's see, what else are we doing? Zip line?
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about. I think you should also mention about how all the things we did this year just for going to Germany.
We've done, I don't even remember how many car washes. At first it was every weekend, and then it was every other weekend, and we kind of car washed out. But hopefully we'll get some customers in today. And a lot of times it was just a few of us working. But when the 27 students from Germany and the 3 staff came, we were able to take them to Universal and to SeaWorld and Kennedy Space Center. So we kind of gave them our end of the story, and now we're going theirs. And at least we have a non-stop flight from...
Woohoo! 10 hours!
Yeah, well, but at least we don't have to switch planes like they did.
Oh yeah, and then hopefully no luggage has been lost.
Right.
Ooh, car.
Like they have. Oh,
Did we get a car wash? Nope. So, yeah, I'll be posting videos or taking videos on the plane so you guys can kind of get to feel how long it's going to be. No, it's not going to be 10-hour flight video. But okay, more questions on Koche.
Alright, let's see, what else are we doing? Hiking and biking, the zip line, which,
I wonder if I can videotape that.
the zip line?
Oh.
Maybe if you tape it to your jacket or
Yeah,
something.
you like
Right.
get a special thing for my head. Bah.
Let me see. What else are we doing?
We are,
School.
yeah, going to school, listening to Germans talk German to each other.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
And, that's only like 1 week though. The first week we're going to have all the fun, and then we're going to go to school and have fun still too, because in the afternoons we'll be doing stuff. We'll be going swimming probably at the public pool there because they don't have a beach right nearby, but it's a beautiful landscape, so be looking out for that when we keep following that. And what else are we going to see?
I know my phone's out of service. Don't have to remind me, people. I'm also going to be seeing Marco and Graham while I'm in Germany, and their buddy, I don't know his name. But yeah, I'm gonna see him too, and we're all gonna go out, and I'm post a video about that too. And I get to show you guys the plug that they have. That's gonna probably like fry my stuff if I ever try to be stupid enough to plug it in. And
what else? Hopefully.
you're going to Berlin. You should tell them
Yes.
about your funness.
I'm actually, the day that we're doing the zip line, in the evening I'll fly to Berlin and then stay there overnight and get to see Berlin for the very first time in my life. I mean, I was born and raised over there, never been there, so it would be interesting.
It's kind of like saying a Floridian's never been to Disney World, which actually I've heard of yesterday. It was really sad.
Really?
And she was born and raised here.
Really? Well, there's a few people that are born and raised here that haven't really even been out of this area, not even to the beach. That, especially like when I was at the elementary school level. That. Anyhow, so I'm going to Berlin, stay there in the morning, and then we're going to Rostock because there's an exchange student that was here that.
Max?
No, my sister. And I hosted him over the
No,
holidays,
okay.
so his parents would like to see me, and that's why they picked me up in Berlin, and then we're going to Rostock where they are, and then they're going to drive me to either Lübeck or Hamburg so I can meet up with my mother, which is kind of nice. And then I'll fly back to Frankfurt that Monday. So,
Yay! Meanwhile, I'm going to be having fun
you'll have fun there.
as a tourist does in a different country.
I'm pretty sure they're going to take me there. Hopefully
yeah.
ask them if they can take you to Heidelberg. That's great.
Heidelberg.
Beautiful. Heidelberg. And it's not that far away. And we'll be going to see Miltenberg, which has like the oldest hotel in all of Germany, which is like from, I believe, 1520 if I remember right. And yeah.
She's just a history book in the palm hand.
I used to live there. What do you expect?
Yeah. Madeline, how are you excited that you got to meet these people?
Good. She wanted to come along, but Daddy needs her at home.
What about next year?
Yes, she'll come.
You excited? You're gonna be a freshman. You're gonna go against our codes, but it's okay because you're the mom, right?
Right. If that is going to happen, you wait. I don't know. I kind of butted heads with our.
Uh-oh. School drama. Oh, look, there's Riley. The lazy kid who doesn't do anything. Oops, did I say that loud? I didn't say nothing.
We need to get some cars, guys.
Alright. So,
See, who else? Chad is probably working, right?
yeah, I don't know. Maybe you should get Alyssa's butt up here. She's a senior. She graduated.
Yeah.
Look, there he comes. There he comes. The vegetarian that doesn't eat lettuce. Yes, I said that correctly. Alright. This is Torture. Peace out.